What's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best GoPro cameras on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. GoPro Hero12 Black. The GoPro Hero12 Black stands out as a durable and versatile ultra-wide action camera with impressive stabilization and an array of features. Notable additions include external and dual-channel audio tools, making it beneficial for various shooting scenarios. Filmmakers will appreciate the inclusion of 10-bit log capture and time-coded footage. Equipped with a 27MP8/7 sensor, the Hero12 Black allows for flexible capture formats, supporting 16, 9, 9/16, and 8/7 footage without the need for reorientation. It offers high-resolution options, including up to 3K at 60 fps and 4K at 120 fps. For slow-motion enthusiasts, the camera can shoot at 240 fps in 2K resolution. However, the Hero12 Black has limitations in low-light conditions, with noise handling being a particular challenge. Number 2. GoPro Hero10 Black. The GoPro Hero10 Black represents a refined and user-friendly version of its predecessor, the Hero9. While not a revolutionary overhaul, the inclusion of the new GP2 processor makes it the most powerful GoPro to date. The camera retains the 23MP 3-inch sensor and maintains a waterproof depth of 10 meters, similar to the Hero9. Some notable improvements include new shooting modes, such as 5K/60p, 4K/120p, and 7K/240p, offering enhanced flexibility for capturing dynamic footage. The addition of these modes introduces exciting slow-motion options, particularly suitable for social media content and B-camera footage. The Quick app for GoPro simplifies the editing process, adding convenience to the overall user experience. Number 3. GoPro Hero7 Black. The GoPro Hero7 Black, while several generations old, remains an excellent action camera available at an affordable price. Despite lacking the latest features, it stands as a compelling option, especially for those seeking a cost-effective solution. The Hero7 Black delivers impressive 4K footage, and its hyper-smooth video image stabilization technology continues to provide exceptionally smooth recording. With a 10-meter waterproof rating, a 2-inch touchscreen, voice control functionality, and the ability to capture output, this GoPro model offers a well-rounded set of features. Although it is no longer available directly from the GoPro site, new units can be found on platforms like Amazon. Additionally, given its age, potential buyers may discover attractive deals on second-hand Hero7 Black cameras. Number 4. GoPro Hero11 Black. The new sensor in the Hero11 Black primarily enhances its versatility rather than directly impacting image quality. Featuring an almost square 8:7 aspect ratio, it allows users to export videos in various formats, such as 9/16 for platforms like TikTok and Instagram, without sacrificing quality or resolution. Another notable addition to the Hero11 Black is its support for 10-bit video, a feature commonly found in top-tier video cameras. The bit depth of a video refers to the total possible number of color gradations, and the move to 10-bit provides more color information compared to the standard 8-bit in previous GoPro models. This enhancement facilitates more precise adjustments during video editing and helps mitigate issues like color banding, particularly when using GoPro's flat color profile. Number 5. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max utilizes two 180-degree fisheye lenses, enabling it to capture a comprehensive view of its surroundings. Notably, the Max seamlessly stitches together the video files from these lenses, streamlining the process for users. The accompanying GoPro smartphone app further simplifies the editing and publishing of spherical media directly from a mobile device. This innovative approach to shooting expands the creative possibilities for media professionals, especially in the realm of action-packed scenarios. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.